Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular countertop ice makers, the Silonn Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, performance, and value for money to help you make an informed decision for your home or office. Let's get started. The Silonn Ice Maker produces bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly, while the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces nugget ice, known for its soft and chewable texture. Nugget ice is often preferred for cocktails and soft drinks, making it a popular choice for gatherings. When it comes to price, the Silonn Ice Maker is significantly more affordable at $109, making it a budget-friendly option. In contrast, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, reflecting its higher ice production capacity and the premium nugget ice it produces. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and ice needs. In terms of ice production capacity, the Silonn Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker boasts a higher output of 35 pounds in the same time frame. This makes the EUHOMY a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use, where a higher volume of ice is needed. In conclusion, both the Silonn and EUHOMY ice makers offer unique advantages. The Silonn is a great budget option for quick ice production, while the EUHOMY excels in producing high-quality nugget ice in larger quantities. Consider your needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.